Yo, 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 what's up? Yo. Welcome back to OnDaReyL. Kumusta? Amin kayo, magkaya mo. Suran's ripping them right now. Today we got the mini scoots. Mini scoots.
Yeah,
this kind of sort of can be like a mini rolling zero, but it's the zero and all that. But we're here. We're gonna check out a ride. Veterans Day ride. So come along with us and have some fun. Shoots. All right, all right. We're rolling out early, trying to see if we can catch sunset by the water action. Eh? You know what I'm saying? All right, all right. Yep. Might as well.
No, I can make them loose.
Right. We're here at Kaka'ako Park, waterfront park. So check them, check them. Gee. Okay, right there. Surround us. Oh. Oh, there we go. All right, we're here. Check them. You guys get room?
Oh, no. You gonna take a shot, man?
No, go in, bro.
Oh,
you good? I just like make sure I don't like block your way, bro.
Oh no, good. I just didn't want a photo bomb.
Oh yeah, nah, you good, you good.
Bro, take it easy.
All right, you too, bro. Yee. Bonnie hops with those bad boy. Yeah. Come on, right. Oh, it's a nice spot right here. Whee! But on the steep hill, Chris.
Ready,
set, go. Go race, what? Oh, there you go, Chris. There you go. Holy. Alright, no more battery.
I want to hold them from off.
We are at Ala Wai Beach. Cruising around, people barbecuing, all over here. Here we are.
Huh?
No, right here. Say hi, Reggie. Oh, hey. Okay, trying to look for some friends around here. We see them. Oh, hey. It's a nice shot. Not over there. All right. I'm good. Thank you. This is where you guys dinner. I know. Oh, it's snack.
Me
yeah. Look at Reggie's one. Straight there, dog.
Right there, rolling.
Casinos right now.
Like one.
Nah, I'm good, brother. Thank you. You gotta watch the food. What time you guys came here?
About 4 o'clock.
Oh, nice, brother. Nice.
See you guys?
Who's this?
I don't know. This Uncle Ray's brought home.
That's right. Look, they had nice ones.
Alright, so we're leaving the beach. Thank you to the Zoom Lounge for giving us some poo-poos. heading out to the Rusi side. We'll check out the fireworks. We're trying to find a spot there. So, check up. Cheese. Alright, next to the chart house. And Ili side.
Oh lady, I might be your darling. That is why it is so.
We're here at Kaiserbowl, looking around by the Rainbow Tower, Hilton Hawaiian Village. We are here to rock the night. But anyway, this is the area where the fireworks happen in. Yeah. Come on, Friday nights is busy, so I heard.
Tell me, is it you can find? Too busy chasing dreams of plenty.
Kind of easy one.
On that side. We go more down though. We go more down.
Bench me. In the morning when the sun rises. Oh, like a dream come true.
Leopard's ice cream, bro. Oh, look at the line. Damn. Huh? You get to hear me out? You want to be back? We might not hit back on the way. How's it? Look at the line. Leopards. Okay. Alright, for those who haven't come to Hilton Hawaiian Village, this is their village. Forget what this place is called though, but all kind of shops here, jewelry, food, clothes, whatever. So, got a ridge, we can go to ABC. So, it's the place right there. Oh. Alright, we're here at the Rusi side. And right there is where the fireworks gonna be popping. We're just waiting for the fireworks to start in about 10 or so minutes. But Trippy, get boats over there. I gotta pay for that. I can watch them in the water. Pretty dope, yeah? And then again, we're on this side of the area. So we just at the Rainbow Tower earlier. So we're on this side by Fort the Rusi side. Sitting on the grass. See over here, it's like an event right there. Everybody kind of just chilling and waiting for it. And they're gonna make the oohs and ahs when the fireworks come. But yeah, check it. So I'm gonna just go introduce the bike stats on this segment of the ride. So we got Chris's right here, Chris's Jetson, and you know, little modifications for the front. Handlebar bulldog stance action, running 48 action. There we go, it's running on. Then my Fido right here, same thing, just doing the bars and about it, you know, just aesthetic looks. And there's Reggie's one with those triple crown looking shocks action, super wide handlebars, and just you can see a little stretch right there. Oh, there it is. Representing. And Andy's right there. Andy's white one too. Check him with a little ducky mink wing. And he got his upgraded brakes too. You can see him, the pegs and all that stuff too. And his seat, cherry seat. I'm gonna get that seat soon. And then right there, rolling zero. Check him. Rocking the FMF, baby. FMF for my family, for my future. And he got his stretch also right there. Bango. You can stretch him. Look at that. Bing. And then of course Justin's RX right there, running them. Bingo, a lot of carbon fiber stuffs all over. Purple accents, and that's what it is. Sponsored, bro. Sponsored this one. And right out, this is the crew. It's the crew for today, right there. Bingo, all right. And so it begins. All right. told you. What I told you. Everybody's woo, ah. Yeah. All right. Wow. So right now, Kalakaua Avenue in the heart of Waikiki. Check 'em, check 'em, check 'em.
So maybe all the maybe reasons why we stick around, but really all I want.
All right, ABC in the house. Right, we're here at Russell's side. Just hanging out, everybody just taking a breather. But we're gonna head out to go Zippys. I don't think, at least I won't go down to Kuhio side. We're just gonna go straight up, eat at Zippys and stuff like that. But check this out. The Dillingham Fountain. Nice song. All right, we're here at Zippys, eating for the night, and we'll head down, I believe, Ala Wai Bike Pathway, and then we'll head back to the cars because of battery. All right, so love you. I now head to the Ala Wai Path. We're on the bike path right here. Whoa, who's slowing down again? I don't know what's going on, Rolling. Bruh. And here we are on the Ala Wai Bike Path, on this side of Ala Wai, of course. All right, look at it, look at it. I like this part right there. So reason why we chose this path, so get a different view like that. You know, like lights reflecting off the water. You know, just want for view these, so you guys get to enjoy the scenery. Yes? Yes. Well, good. All right. Anyway, we are going over here, the promenade area. Again, it's a little quiet, but not too bad. We'll meet up with the rest of the crew guys at the cars. I know they called waiting over there, so we'll get there. Maybe now what, 15, 20 minutes or so, but we'll get there. Shoots. It's been a while since I've made a video, but here we are. We're right next to the convention center in Waikiki. And rolling them out here. Bunny hop. My bad. Let's go, Chris. All right. What about to end the video here? We'll just thank you guys for coming along for the ride tonight. So heading back to the cars, like I said. But hey, make sure you subscribe, like if you like, share if you like. But make sure you just subscribe and check it out and get on board with the OnDaReyL channel. All right. So mahalo once again. Peace out. Mwah.